SafeHome smart switch with Wi-Fi can be operated by touching the touch button. The front panel is made of scratch-resistant safety glass and provides protection against electric shock when you turn on the lights with wet hand. Connect the smart switch to the 2.4 GHz Wi-Fi network in the house, add it in the Tuya Smart application, and you can control from anywhere you have an internet connection the electric lighting in the house. Or pair the PNI SafeHome smart switch with Amazon or Google speakers, and you can turn the light on or off with a simple voice command. With Tuya Smart you can program the lighting on and off at certain hours, or you can integrate the smart switch in smart scenarios and automations.